Okay, Wi-Fi is the most popular wireless protocol. It is demonstrated by its widespread implementation throughout the world. Based on the IEEE number for is IEEE 802.11. IEEE stands for Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers. Okay, Wi-Fi offers an easy solution for deploying connected products and consumer goods. Deployed means we can easily develop some products. Next, we are going to the another protocol, low power wireless personal area network. It uses lightweight IP-based communication to travel over a low data rate network. It is mainly used for low data rate networks. It is a open IoT network protocol like Zigbee, and it is primarily used for home and building automation. Okay, next we are going to 3G and 4G. Here 3G means 4G means it is coming to the cellular technology. Cellular technology. Okay, using the cellular technology also we can send the data to the cloud. Suppose we have the facility for in all our mobiles there is a facility for internet. Means who will provide the internet for us? Who is providing the internet for us? We are paying some money to the Airtel or Idea. Okay, they are providing the internet facility for us. Means we are using the Wi-Fi facility or Wi-Fi facility is provided by the either cellular network. Using that cellular network is also we are able to send the data to the cloud. Okay. In this case, there is a modules are available in the market. Either GSM modules are available. Okay. Suppose I don't want to need GP technology or Bluetooth technology, Wi-Fi technology. Okay. But I want to send the some data to the cloud using GSM model. In those cases, we are using the cellular technology to transfer the data from one place to the cloud. It is the most people use today for mobile cellular data. Okay, you can use 3G and 4G for IoT device. Next one is near field communication it is for IoT network protocol used for very close communication. When you wave your phone over, it is also one of the protocol. It is mainly used for near field communication. Next, Sigfox. It is a global IoT network operator. It uses the differential binary phase shift keying. These are all are various protocols. We don't want to buy at all the protocols. Depending on the application, whether our application required, depending on the application or depending on the requirement only, we need to learn about the protocol. But we should aware of what are the various protocols or exists for the IoT. Next one is Sigfox. Okay. Next one is the final one is long range wide area network. Okay. In our college, we are using these protocols. Many and major, most of the mini and major projects, we are using the LoRa model. Okay, we are familiar with the LoRa model because it supports same Arduino code is suitable for LoRa model. Okay, LoRa means long range. RA means long range wide area network. It is a medium access control layer protocol designed for large scale public network with a single operator. Okay, it is mainly used for long range communication. Actually, LoRa module is consist of two things. It consists of one wireless module and one Wi-Fi module. Okay, same within the LoRa, it contains two modules. One is the wireless module, another one is the Wi-Fi module. Okay, the main purpose of LoRa means it receive the data from the wireless device. Okay, and transfer the data to the cloud using Wi-Fi. is a medium access control layer protocol designed for large scale public network with a single hop. It is built using some company LoRa modulation as the underlying. We are not bothering about all the things. This is the LoRa module. Okay. Okay. Suppose I've said in the Zigbee, it is operated up to 100 meters only. Okay. Suppose I want to transfer the data for 200 meters means we can use the repeaters. Same Zigbee can after 100 meters we can use the multiple Zigbees. But I don't want to use that Zigbee communication. But there is I want to transfer the data for up to 5 kilometer. From up to 5 kilometer we are able to transfer or receive the data using the LoRa module. LoRa is consist of two things. One is the wireless communication, means wirelessly it can transfer the data or it can receive the data and send the data to the cloud. This is the LoRa module. Okay, within this there are two modules are available. Okay, two things. One is the Wi-Fi one is the Wi-Fi to send the data to the cloud or to receive the data from the cloud. Another module is also exist on this. There is a Wi-Fi module. It receives the data from another LoRa module. Okay, another LoRa module is nothing but it is another LoRa module is also consist of Wi-Fi. From suppose here I am putting the LoRa module here. Okay, up to 5 kilometers we are able to communicate with using another LoRa module. LoRa means long range module. It is mainly used for long distance communication up to 5 kilometers. We are able to transfer. From the 5 kilometers, we are able to send the data using the another LoRa module using the Wi-Fi. If you see the RFID, there is a RFID card is there. It identifies that number and using the Wi-Fi protocol, we are able to send the data to the cloud. Okay, up to now we are seeing different protocols. Already we know that protocol. Bluetooth means it is mainly used for short distance communication, means up to 10 meters. Already we know that RFID means radio frequency identification. Identification means to identify the some object. It is, but what is the disadvantage for RFID is only short distance. Okay, next one is Bluetooth means up to 10 meters. More than 10 meter, another technology came is the Zigbee. Using Zigbee, we are able to control or monitor the device up to 100 meters. Okay. After that, there is another technology is there Wi-Fi. What are the advantage of Wi-Fi means we are easily connect to the devices. Up to 100 meters, we are able to communicate. And the data rate is also high. There is another protocol, so many protocols depending on the devices. Some of the devices are supporting some of the protocols only. Based on the our device, we are able to read, we are able to understand the protocol. Next one is finally there is another protocol is there. Protocol, there is a module is there. It will support some protocol. LoRa module is nothing but it support LoRa protocol. Okay, LoRa means long range module. It consists of two things. One is the Wi-Fi module on one side and the wireless module on another side. Okay, it is mainly used for IoT application. We are suppose in forest area, forest office is there at 5 kilometers, but far away from the 5 kilometers, we are putting the LoRa module. At that point, we are sending the data to the forest office. From that, we will send the data to the cloud. LoRa is mainly used for up to, it is a Wi-Fi and wireless based communication. Coming to, there is a, okay, we have seen all the protocols. Okay, criteria for choosing wireless protocol. Okay, there's so many protocols here exist. Which one we want to use? That is depending on the different factors. One is the depending on the application. Depending on the application, we can choose the protocol. Another factor such as range. Okay? If I want to use the long range, we are going for LoRa module. Suppose we are going for short range means Bluetooth. Suppose we want to communicate only 100 meters means we are able to perform using Zigbee. Suppose I don't have any connection. I don't have the facility for Bluetooth. I don't have the facility for Zigbee. I don't have the facility for Wi-Fi. Suppose I don't want to put the LoRa. but I have the cellular network అంటే నాకు ఐడియా కానీ ఎయిర్టెల్ కానీ సిగ్నల్ ఉంది. But in those cases we are using the cellular technology. Using the cellular technology we are able to send or receive the data. The factors such as range, data requirement and security and power demands and battery lifetime. These are the main factors for choosing the wireless protocol. And battery lifetime will dictate the choice of one or some form of combination of technology. Please see here the sentence. Depending on these requirements, we can choose a choice of one or some form of combination of technologies. For IoT application, we can choose one technology or combination of technology. If you are seeing the LoRa technology, means it consists of two things. One is the wired, one is the wireless communication, another one is Wi-Fi. These are some of the major communication technology offered to developers. Okay, these are the today we are discussing about gateway. Gateway is nothing but it is a hardware device. It provides the communication between the two networks. Two networks are supporting the two different protocols. After that, we are seeing what are the applications of gateway and what are the various protocols are there. Okay, the criteria for choosing the protocols is first one is depending on the application and depending on the range and depending on the data requirement, security and power requirement and battery lifetime. These are the main consideration. But in IoT, we can choose one or more technology. We are integrated using. We can integrate the two or more protocols to implement the IoT products. Please, all of you take A, B, C section. You can take the attendance, please. This is the only basic idea. Should remember, actual topic is different. From 3 days onwards, I'm explaining the general concepts of IoT only. General. We are not going in depth. The first class we are saying what is the IoT scenario. In the second class we are saying what is sensor, what is the actuator, and what are the skills are required. Today we are discussing about what is the gateway. At least you should aware of what is the gateway, what are the wireless communication protocols. We are not going in depth. Okay. If you have any doubts, please all of you take the A, B, C section. You can take the attendance. You can take the screenshot. You can send to my WhatsApp. You can note down the attendance on the paper with the date. You can send to my WhatsApp. Any doubts? Any doubts you can ask me. Are you able to understand at least some basics? Dear students, are you able to following or not? In order to prepare this PPT, it has taken 5 to 6 hours of time. And to collect the data from the internet is also some difficult. అటెండెన్స్ ఏ సెక్షన్ అతను స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి. ప్లస్ ఏంటంటే